In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check DMs on the Instagram app. If you use Instagram to keep up with friends, family, or customers, your direct messages, your DMs, are where those private conversations happen. I'll show you exactly where to find them, what you'll see when you get there, and a few tips to help you stay on top of your inbox with confidence. Start by opening the Instagram app on your phone. If you haven't used it in a while, it's a good idea to update the app first, so everything looks and works as expected. Once you're on the home screen, the main feed, look to the top right corner. You'll see the messages icon. Depending on your version, it may look like a paper airplane or the messenger bolt. Tap that, and it takes you straight into your inbox. Here, you'll see a list of your conversations. New or unread messages are usually highlighted or marked with a dot so they're easy to spot. At the top, there's a search bar so you can quickly find a conversation by typing the person's name or the group's title. If you have the option, you may also see filters like Unread, which help you focus on messages you haven't opened yet. You might notice two tabs labeled Primary and General, especially if you're using a professional or creator account. Primary is for conversations you want to see first. General is better for lower priority chats. You can move conversations between these tabs to organize your inbox. If you're using a personal account, you may simply see one main inbox. Look for the Requests section near the top. This is where messages from people you don't follow, or who aren't in your contacts, will appear. Tap Requests to preview them safely. You can accept to move a message into your inbox. Delete it if you don't want to engage, or restrict or block if something seems suspicious. Previewing a request doesn't mark it as seen until you accept, which helps you decide without signaling a read. To read a message, tap the conversation. You'll see the chat thread, and you can type your reply in the text field at the bottom. You can also send photos, quick reactions, or voice notes if that's easier. When you're done, use the back arrow or swipe from the left edge to return to your inbox. If messages aren't appearing, check your internet connection and your Instagram notification settings in the app and on your device, so you don't miss new DMs. And that's it. Open Instagram, tap the messages icon, review your inbox and requests, and reply when ready.